Traveling can take us to places that defy our imagination, where the landscapes, architecture, and natural phenomena feel as if they belong to another world. These destinations are not just visually stunning, they challenge our sense of reality, making us question whether we are on Earth or in a dream. From glowing lakes to alien deserts, ethereal canyons, and surreal rock formations, these locations offer experiences that go beyond ordinary sightseeing. They are portals to environments where time, light, and nature converge to create an atmosphere that is almost supernatural. Visiting such places allows travelers to step out of their daily routines and immerse themselves in landscapes that are otherworldly in appearance and ambiance. We will explore 10 travel spots that feel like another dimension, each offering unique visual and sensory experiences that transport visitors to realms beyond the ordinary. Today, we will talk about 10 travel spots that feel like another dimension. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. One of the most striking destinations is Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, the world's largest salt flat. From afar, it appears like an endless white expanse, but when viewed closely, the landscape reveals geometric patterns created by natural salt crystallization. During the rainy season, the flat transforms into a reflective mirror that perfectly mirrors the sky, erasing the horizon and creating an illusion of floating in space. Walking on this reflective surface can feel disorienting, as the line between sky and earth disappears. The subtle interplay of light, water, and salt creates a dreamlike, almost sci-fi environment, making Salar de Uyuni a surreal travel experience unlike any other. Antelope Canyon in Arizona, USA offers another example of an environment that feels otherworldly. At first glance, it looks like a narrow slot canyon, but stepping inside reveals smooth sandstone walls carved by flash floods over millennia. Sunlight filtering through the narrow openings produces vibrant beams that illuminate the textured rock, highlighting rich hues of orange, red, and purple. The twisting passageways, combined with the interplay of light and shadow, create a mystical atmosphere. The canyon's sculpted walls resemble flowing fabrics or liquid waves frozen in time, giving visitors the sense of exploring a dreamlike dimension where nature's artistry is on full display. Waitomo glowworm caves in New Zealand transform the underground into a luminous wonderland. These limestone caves are home to thousands of glowworms that emit a bioluminescent light, illuminating the dark chambers like a starry night sky. As visitors float along the subterranean river, the glow reflects off the water and walls, creating a serene and magical ambiance. The sensation of moving through a tunnel of twinkling lights feels almost fantastical, blurring the boundary between reality and imagination. This subterranean experience is a perfect example of a natural phenomenon creating an environment that seems to belong to another dimension entirely. In Iceland, Landmannalaugar presents an otherworldly volcanic landscape that looks as if it were lifted from a science fiction movie. The rhyolite mountains display a kaleidoscope of colors, ranging from pink and gold to green and blue, caused by mineral deposits. Geothermal hot springs dot the valleys, releasing steam that gives the scenery a surreal, ethereal quality. Hiking through this region feels like traversing an alien planet, with jagged lava formations, rainbow-hued mountains, and vast barren plains offering a striking contrast to Earth's typical landscapes. The raw, unspoiled nature of Landmannalaugar intensifies the sensation of being in an entirely different world. Zhangye Dangxia landform in China is another geological marvel that transports visitors to an alien realm. From a distance, the rolling hills appear ordinary, but closer inspection reveals vibrant layers of red, orange, yellow, and green minerals that have been compressed and eroded over millions of years. The result is a surreal, painted landscape that seems almost artificial. The patterns and colors shift dramatically with sunlight, creating a constantly changing visual display. The combination of geological complexity and vivid hues gives the impression of walking through a living painting or a digitally rendered fantasy landscape, reinforcing the otherworldly sensation. Mount Roraima, on the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, is a flat-topped plateau that seems detached from the surrounding rainforest. Its sheer cliffs rise dramatically, and the summit hosts a unique ecosystem found nowhere else on Earth. Strange rock formations, endemic plants, and isolated pools of water create a sense of entering a lost world. Explorers often describe the plateau as feeling like a separate dimension due to its isolation and the alien-like appearance of its landscape. The contrast between the lush forest below and the barren, windswept summit further accentuates the sense of stepping into a different reality entirely. Socotra Island in Yemen is famously described as one of the most alien-looking places on Earth. The island's unique flora, including the iconic dragon's blood trees, gives the landscape an extraordinary otherworldly appearance. These umbrella-shaped trees, combined with bizarre succulents and endemic plant species, create a scenery unlike anything seen elsewhere. Socotra's isolation has allowed these ecosystems to thrive without significant human interference, enhancing its sense of strangeness. Walking among these peculiar plants and rugged terrain feels like traveling through an extraterrestrial ecosystem, further cementing the feeling of being transported to another dimension. Pamukkale in Turkey is a natural wonder that combines thermal springs with cascading terraces of white travertine. From a distance, the terraces resemble snowy cliffs, but up close, the pools of turquoise water reveal intricate mineral formations. The warmth of the water, coupled with the shimmering terraces, produces a dreamlike effect that feels almost magical. The combination of visual contrast, geothermal activity, and historical significance, with the ancient city of Hierapolis nearby, creates an environment that seems both timeless and surreal, leaving visitors with a sense of stepping outside normal reality. Wulingyuan Scenic Area in China features thousands of sandstone pillars that rise dramatically from forested valleys. These towering columns, shrouded in mist, resemble floating mountains, creating a scene reminiscent of fantastical landscapes in animated or cinematic worlds. The mist often clings to the peaks, enhancing the illusion of levitating islands and obscuring the valleys below. The scale, verticality, and atmospheric conditions of Wulingyuan make visitors feel as though they have entered a dimension where gravity and perspective are altered, intensifying the sense of wonder and disorientation. Finally, Lake Hillier in Australia appears to defy natural laws with its striking pink hue. From afar, it may seem like an ordinary water body, but the vibrant color, caused by the presence of specific algae and bacteria, becomes immediately apparent upon closer observation. Surrounded by green forests and contrasted with the deep blue of the nearby ocean, the lake creates an almost unreal bubblegum-like visual effect. The vividness of the water, combined with the surrounding natural scenery, makes it difficult to believe that such a place exists on our planet. Experiencing Lake Hillier firsthand feels like stepping into a carefully curated other-dimensional landscape. These 10 travel spots demonstrate the astonishing diversity and wonder of our planet. Whether sculpted by geological processes, enriched by unique ecosystems, or enhanced by extreme visual phenomena, each location challenges our perception of reality. Exploring them provides not only aesthetic pleasure, but also a profound sense of awe at the natural and human-made processes that create environments beyond ordinary comprehension. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.